everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to talk about a little topical care for our hair. I've been showing you guys a lot of food that I eat, some supplements. Now we're going to go over just basic 3 steps that you guys need to start taking care of your hair. The first one is product, guys. If you notice, I have a couple of products haul on my channel. Out of all of these are the top products that you would need to begin taking care of your hair. The first one is a hot oil treatment. Now this is my newest hot oil treatment. It's more of a hot oil balm, but I do have a couple of different ones that you can do with a lot less products. And when I do my hair, guys, I make sure I hot oil it and go over all the strands. It's easier to detangle, it protects my hair, and it adds quite a bit of hydration to my hair even before I start washing it. Now the next 2 products you guys would need is a good shampoo and conditioner. I have a couple of natural ones and I have a couple of regular ones that I bought at the store, and a lot of different shampoos that I've actually tried on my channel, so you can go check them out and see which one you love. Now make sure to invest in a good treatment mask for your hair, guys, whether it be a good deep conditioner, a hair mask, or just a hair treatment in general. I do have a couple that I use. You can go on my channel and check all of them out. And of course, after you wash your hair, you need a good leave-in, some tea spray or hydrating spray, and I put this in even when my hair is out, and also when I have my braids in, I make sure to moisturize my scalp to keep my hair growing and hydrated throughout that time. And of course, again, I have these on my channel where you can go and see how I make my scalp oil and also how I make my tea spray for moisturizing my hair. Now the next thing, guys, I use is a sealant butter. After you wash your hair, you do all that good work to it and then you moisturize it. You want to make sure to seal all that moisture in, and if you have low porosity like I do, you want to get as much moisture in there as possible and then seal up all that moisture with some good sealant butter so you can keep your hair hydrated. The next step you guys want to take is to have a routine. Now I have my wash day routine, which I use all those products I just mentioned to you guys to make sure I keep my hair moisturized and growing, and I have a video to go through all my 8 steps that I do take on my wash day routine. Because I work out a lot, I have a rinse that I do for my hair that I just rinse it out on workout days. I don't always use a shampoo or conditioner because I don't want to strip my hair, and I just go wash it out. That's for my workout routine to clean my hair. And also I have my quick wash day routine, which I just pretty much use these 3 Aussie products usually. They're quick, easy to use, and I can get clean hair in less than 30 minutes and I'm on the go. The third step, guys, is to use treatment masks. Now besides the deep conditioner, I have a couple of masks that I do in my hair. I do a protein treatment, which I have a variety on my channel again, and my go-to holy grail treatment is my henna treatment, guys. I'll show you guys how to do this the long way. I also have a 10-hour henna routine on my channel to help you make this quick, less than half a day. You can still henna your hair if you do have a busy schedule, because this treatment is what keeps my hair strong, keeps it growing, and keeps it looking the way it does and thriving every month. Using all 3 steps, guys, this is how I keep my hair growing. This is how my hair keeps its hydration, it grows back, and I can do these fun twist out. My hair stays thick, it keeps growing, and it stays healthy, and I don't have to wonder if my hair is gonna break for the week because I keep up with these 3 steps to see healthy hair growth. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, go over and watch my last video.